This bull market continues to get better and better. Now, I know the prices are dipping down a little bit this morning, and nobody wants to see things in the red. But guys, we're at $117,500 Bitcoin. We're at $4,500 Ethereum and $3+ XRP, and sitting at a level of neutrality with altcoin season not even beginning. Think about that for a second. Now, I don't know if this market is being walked up by major institutions. I don't know exactly what is happening here. But what I do know, prices are rising and testing all-time highs at a time when sentiment remains neutral and not overheated or overbought. This is going to lead not just to all-time high prices, but an explosion when retail and FOMO returns that we have never seen before. So with that, I'm going to be talking a little bit about Shiba Inu coin and its ability to explode 160% to that 3,500 point per coin level. And we're going to be talking about some other coins that have major potential as well. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, machine learning, or these AI algorithms that are out there, they're predicting the price of Shiba Inu coin reaching a 160% increase to that major resistance at 3,500 points per coin. Now, 3,500 points per coin is very, very important for Shiba Inu coin because it is held up as major resistance since inception. When Shiba Inu coin broke 3,500 points per coin, really the only time it ever broke 3,500 points per coin is when it rallied to the all-time high in 2021 of 8,800 points per coin. It briefly broke, wicking up and then coming back down, so it was not a confirmed break in March of 2024, and that's it. Guys, 3,500 is extreme resistance on Shiba Inu coin that, if broken, could lead to a massive explosion higher. So let's see when AI says Shiba Inu coin is going to be testing those levels. The Shiba Inu coin price has been on a roller coaster over the last few months, characterized by crashes after seeing a moderate rally. This time around, the meme coin's price has begun to move upward once again, and this could sustain if the markets rise alongside Bitcoin. Keeping up with this trend, the machine learning algorithm at CoinCodex website has predicted that Shiba Inu coin will continue to rally. What's more, the price could be hitting a new yearly peak soon. The predictions on the website have shown a rather bullish roadmap for Shiba Inu coin's price going forward. This ranges from very short term to mid-term, with each one expected to see an increase in price from here. The first of these is in a 5-day prediction that suggests Shiba Inu coin's price is on the right path. The machine learning algorithm puts Shiba Inu coin's price at 1441 in 5 days, which is a 6.6% increase from its current price. Next on the list, the 1-month prediction that would enter into the month of September from here. The machine learning algorithm suggests the price would only be slightly higher, 6.15% at 1434. However, looking at the longer time frame, moving into the month of September, the price of Shiba Inu coin is expected to more than double from there. Most of the move is forecasted to happen in the month of September, triggering a rally to 35.49. Now, guys, this is not just machine learning algorithms and AI predicting this stuff. Next month, moving into September, right? Sure, we could see Shiba Inu coin hitting the 1,450, 1,500 point per coin levels. But September moving into October, okay? This has historically been a major rally point given the 4-year bull and bear market cycles. In 2013, 2017, and 2021, cryptocurrency prices soared, peaking out in November and December of those years. So Shiba Inu coin soaring in the month of October into November would coincide perfectly with the previous bull market cycles. It coincides, obviously, with AI's algorithms and forecasts. It coincides with the fact that the Federal Reserve could begin lowering interest rates in September. We have got so much positivity on the horizon, and we are watching this bull market play out in real time, the same way that it has done in previous markets, that we have to pay attention. So that is exactly what I am doing. I am paying attention and I am loading up. Now, one of the places that I am buying is the KSX exchange. Yes, we have seen a 2-day decline on Ethereum from here, and it's got traders on edge, which is bringing the Fear and Greed index back down to a neutral 59. Once this begins to tick back up and we see prices moving higher again, we're going to get a lot of buyers flowing back into the market. So if you're interested in buying on KSX, you've got a link for that down in the description below. And I believe I also got links for international buyers down there. You can use KSX if you want, but you also have access to other programs like KuCoin and so on. So make sure to check out all of those links. But guys, this is the time, okay? We cannot let this bull market pass us by. So as these prices begin to test all-time highs, I am interested in buying some of the tiny little meme coins. And one of those is Maxi Doge. Now, I have bought into Maxi Doge on one occasion so far, and if you guys are interested in buying in, it's very easy. You're going to click that link down in the description below, you're going to connect your wallet, and I like to connect via Best Wallet or Trust Wallet, so completely up to you which one you guys want to trade on. But from there, you type in how much you want, and those tokens are going to be yours to claim on launch day. These guys just, in the last few minutes, crossed over $1 million raised, and they're doing very nicely and rising very fast. In 7 hours and 29 minutes from now, the price is going to increase again, and the current price is 3 zeros and a 252. These guys are building a pure meme coin. And you know what sees the largest gains during periods of extreme greed? Meme coins. Extreme greed occurs when prices like Bitcoin become saturated, altcoins become saturated, and everybody's taking all of their recent gains and moving them into the risky assets like meme coins. And that's when you see retail FOMO kick off. That's when you see the 10, 20, 30x potential. That's when you see those that were willing to take a chance rise in fortune. And that is what I plan on doing. I want to know what you guys plan on doing. Let me know. You got links for everything down in the description below. And until the next time. And you know what? I do want to say thank you to everybody that continues to use that Amazon link. You guys know that my YouTube channel has been demonetized. So anybody using that Amazon link for any of your Amazon purchases, it is an absolute blessing. So I do want to say thank you guys very much for that. And if you haven't been using it, you know, you've got access to it down in the description. All you got to do is click that link to open up Amazon, and it generates a small commission based on anything that you guys purchase. So I do want to say thank you guys very much for that. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.